Now let us move to the very first function that we're going to be dealing with. If we navigate to the order toolbar and we navigate to the cleaning functions right here, which is next to our GL cleaners, right? We'll see a drop down. Clicking on that will open all of the functions that we have available, right? So the very first two functions that we're going to be three functions that we're going to be dealing with is going to be delete blank rows, delete blank columns, unmerge all, and delete blank rows and columns. So the first two, we can see that they have individual items, right? So you can delete only your blank rows, or you can delete only your blank columns. And you can do this following up on each other. So I can go ahead and go click on this and it will delete my blank rows, click on this and it will delete my blank columns, right? But these are individual items that I need to go through twice. So what we've done at the order toolbar is that we're going to use this function that has combined both delete blank rows and delete blank columns into one, right? As well as unmerge all. The reason for this is that this allows us to use this as our starting point for all of our data cleaning, right? So it makes your data look much better to start off with. And another function that it does is that it will duplicate this sheet that we're currently trying to clean into another sheet. And that is where it's going to unmerge all, delete blank rows and columns. And the reason for this is that then we will have our initial information untouched with the side where we've actually started to clean this information up. So let's go ahead and click on Unmerge All and delete blank rows and columns. If I do that, we give the order toolbar 2 seconds to work, and what we will see is that it has now cleaned up everything. One function that we will use now that is dealt with in the quick formatting section is the auto fit sheet. The reason what that will allow us to do is currently you can see that there are words that are being cut off and not everything is being shown. So when I auto fit sheet, that will make my information a lot more readable. But more on that in another section. Happy. So that deals, what we've now dealt with is delete blank rows and columns and unmerge all. Perfect. I'll catch you guys in the next one.